Hello, everybody. My name is Joe Gorham, and I'm from San Jose, California. And something interesting about me is that I am a huge sports fanatic, and I know almost every single basketball fact about any single team. And so it's something that if I could study, I would probably get a doctorate in because I know it that well. And things that I hope to apply in this class, and I hope I learn in this class is I'm not for sure because I'm not exactly what's going to go on in the class. So I'm just keeping like an open heart and like an open mind about what's going to go on in this class, and I hope that I learn something new. And because because I don't have anything else that I'm not sure what I'm going to learn about, I know that I'm going to be able to learn a lot. And then, so one thing that happened to me 2 weeks ago is I got married, and she's in the class right now, and her name is Cindy Miller, and here's a picture of us when we were engaged. And so, yeah, so right now we're just really happy that we're up here in Rexburg studying and just living the married life right now. And um, so right now I can't really pull up a photo of my family from the wedding yet, but I can pull it off my phone because it's not on Facebook yet because we're still getting the photos. So this is a photo of my family right there. So one thing different is that my mom and dad, they both live in California, but my both my brothers, they live in Provo and studying. And one interesting thing is that my brother, he married somebody who had family from India. So that's been pretty cool getting to like know her culture a little bit and about what she grew up with. But even though like she was from California, her family was still very Indian, and we participated in a lot of her events. And it's been great to get to know that part of the country, and great to know like a part of her and to have her in our lives too. And I can't wait to hear from all of you guys and hearing all about the other stuff. And then I almost forgot the last part, and adding the third photo in. One thing I do like to do up here in Idaho is I do like to fish. I find it pretty relaxing, and it's just really nice that when I have like a long day, I can just go out and just go fishing at like random lake and just try to catch a fish. Even though I don't catch them every single time, it's still nice to just go there and relax. And is there and thank you so much. And I think that's everything I do need to talk about in this project. And I can't wait to get to know you all and hear from you all. And then I also forgot to add about the learning styles. And the one that I got was I was concrete sequential. I'm not for sure. Sequential. And because I'm more of a learner where I have to have everything like based on like facts and I feel like that's the right way for me to study is because it keeps me directed that I'm going in the right direction, and that if everything is based on facts, so that means everything's just categorized like one thing at a time. So then it's a lot easier for me to do my homework and to do stuff during class because I feel like the teachers that just go on about random stuff and have that has nothing to do because they're just um, more of the abstract type of random teachers. I have no idea what they're talking about, and I just cannot enjoy those type of classes. And I'm pretty sure that is it for this part. And I really hope I didn't forget to leave anything because I've done this video like 3 times already. Well, I can't wait to hear from all of you.